The Morticians and Allied Professionals Association of Kenya has expressed strong condemnation of Inspector General of Police Japheth Koome's recent remarks concerning the alleged involvement of politicians in hiring deceased individuals from mortuaries and presenting them as victims of police brutality during the Raila Odinga-led Azimio Maandamano against President Ruto and Kenya Kwanza. In a statement, the Morticians criticized Koome's assertions as unjust and undermining their professional integrity. They reasserted their unwavering commitment to upholding ethical standards and the rule of law. The association firmly denounced the Inspector General's comments, emphasizing that such actions would be inconceivable for today's mortuary technicians in Kenya. They highlighted the significance of the Inspector General's position and expressed their disappointment at the potential tarnishing of its reputation through these allegations. The association pointed out the close collaboration with the police service in their daily operations and stressed that the Inspector General should be well aware of their dedication and ethical conduct. The association called on IG Koome to substantiate his claims by taking appropriate legal measures against any individuals found to be involved in such activities. Failing to do so, they demanded a retraction of his remarks, as they believed that these unfounded accusations cast a negative light on their profession and overall reputation. In their statement, the Morticians emphasized their commitment to impartiality, noting that they serve all Kenyans regardless of their background or political affiliations. They expressed concern that the Inspector General's comments unjustly associated their profession with matters they have no involvement in. Highlighting their adherence to regulatory standards, the Morticians clarified that they operate within the framework of the Kenya Health Professions Oversight Authority. They highlighted their commitment to ethical guidelines that prioritize the respect and dignity of the deceased. Morticians argued that their profession has evolved significantly and is now characterized by regulation, education, and professionalism. They underscored their dedication to respecting the laws of Kenya and adhering to ethical principles in their practice. IG Koome had alleged on Tuesday that there was intelligence suggesting collusion between political leaders and mortuary attendants. According to his claims, pictures of deceased individuals were being taken and shared on social media platforms to discredit the police force. These allegations have garnered criticism from various political quarters, prompting calls for the Inspector General to retract his statements and apologize to the Kenyan public. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.